Happy Saturday. Me and Madison are headed to Panera Bread so we can use our unlimited sip club benefits. We basically get to, it's a monthly subscription. We basically get unlimited drinks as far as teas, lemonades, regular fountain drinks, hot chocolate, coffee, all of that, whether it's hot or cold. And you can literally do it all day long. Obviously, you can't go back every second, but every 2 hours you can go back and get another free drink, no matter the size or anything. So I told her today she would be able to get some hot chocolate. I've already had me some coffee this morning. It's 12:38, and as you can see, we are still in our pajamas most of the time, unless we're planning to go somewhere. We spend most of our weekend, you know, chilling in our pajamas. I got my robe and my gown on. It is what it is. Cause I'm going through the drive-thru, so I don't even care.
I don't have my pajamas.
Girl, whatever. She definitely got her pajamas on. So yeah, we are headed to Panera today. I think I'm gonna do a little cleaning, specifically in the washroom. For whatever reason, lint keep getting everywhere, and I'm getting annoyed by that. So I'm gonna do like a little sweep and vacuum up in there. Maybe a little quick mop. Maybe fold some laundry. It's a lot of clean clothes. Like all the clothes have been washed, but they haven't been folded and hung and all of that yet. But it's like a big pile of clean clothes sitting in the washroom right now. So I might tackle that today, and if not today, sometime tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna go anywhere else today. What you want to say to the people?
All I have to say is, when I get home, I might be playing some Roblox.
Yeah, my plan for you, if you want to, is for us to maybe go ahead and get that Bandicam software so you can start recording your gaming situation.
I hate dental ones.
Ooh, Panera line kind of long today. Ain't never this long.
Cut it with me.
I ain't going in.
What can we get started for you?
Could I please get an order of your hot cocoa, please?
Hot chocolate. What else for you?
And could I also get your vanilla cinnamon roll?
Okay.
And that completes my order. And I'm going to be using my unlimited sip club for the hot cocoa. Do you need my Panera number or anything right now?
I can get your number, but that's not gonna cover the hot chocolate. It doesn't cover specialty drinks. It only covers our regular coffees, our charged lemonades, and our fountain drinks.
Okay, I'll get a charged lemonade then as well.
Oh, you want to add to it or remove the hot chocolate?
No, I'll still get the hot chocolate and I'll add a charged lemonade.
Okay.
I will try the mango.
What size?
I'll do large.
What else for you?
That's it.
What's the phone number?
214. Y'all, this Panera line was longer than we expected it to be. This Panera line was so long. I'm like, we could have, like Madison said, did a pickup, did it on the app or something. I was not expecting this line to be this long. I think it's like the rush for lunch or something, considering the time that we came. Then we found out that the hot chocolate is not even included in the Ultimate Sip Club. It's considered a specialty drink. So if you get the Ultimate Sip Club membership or whatever, subscription, do not think you're gonna get a hot chocolate up under there. But she said it includes basically the charged lemonades, which I knew, and I guess some of the hot coffees and teas and stuff. So just look and see exactly what's included before you think you're about to come up here and get a hot chocolate. But we after this car in front of me. I was not expecting it to take this long. Girl, you need to put that on your stuff. They ain't here to see your stuff. Next, let's go. Get my card out while I'm waiting.
Hello. You have the hot chocolate and the cinnamon roll?
Yes. And I got a charged lemonade.
Yes.
Yep.
8 tier.
Thank you. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
It's not like when it was gonna be hot.
It's real hot.
Real.
Yeah, be careful. Let it cool down.
Oh, trust me, I will.
All right, y'all. I'm about to try this charged lemonade. I've never tried this before, but it's a part of the unlimited sip
This
club.
is hot.
Well, yeah, let it cool off. Okay, I'm gonna go out this way.
Thank you for waiting the long line.
Yeah, I was not expecting. Next time we'll definitely come early. Let's see what this lemonade hitting for. That's real good. Your daddy might like that too. You know he like mango stuff.
I need another napkin, please.
Okay. Hold on. Let me get out here. Okay, another napkin. Oh, I'm dropping stuff. Here. Alright, y'all, we are about to head to the house. Might let y'all see me doing this laundry that I'm avoiding. Alright, see y'all when we get back to the house.
I tried to get all up in your mind. It stops at a crime that I wanna make you mine. I tried to get all up in your mind. I'm going through the time if it means I'm making mine. My eyes get, I really like your smile. It stops the time, yeah, I stay here for a while. You give me that real good feeling that I need. Be careful what you ask for, 'cause I just might comply. You need a real wild girl. You need me on your dreams, it's gonna take a little while. It's absurd, I'm gonna say those 3 words. Yes, I do, I think it's true. I just know I love you, mine. Tell my mind that I do it for you. That I'd always want you, I'll be groupie for you. It may hurt at first, 'cause I'ma make it work. Put me first in what you need, I know you gonna love me more. I tried to get all up in your mind. It's my love a crime, 'cause I wanna make you mine. I tried to.
Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you on the next vlog.